In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this start mass problem. It's not fast. Let's get started. The question says a cube has an edge length of 68 inches. A solid sphere with a radius of 34 inches is inside this cube so that the sphere touches the center of each face of the cube to the nearest cubic inch. What is the volume of the space in a cube not taken up by the sphere? Alright, so guys, this question is under measurement, so we are going to need the formulas for volume of a cube and a sphere to be able to solve this. So let's begin with getting the formula for their respective volumes. So the volume of a cube, the formula is side of the length cube. Alright, since in a cube the side of the length are equal, okay, so the volume of a cube is this, whereas the volume of a sphere, we have it to be 4/3 pi r cube. Okay, now to get, we ask what is the volume of the space in the cube not taken up by the sphere. To get the volume of the space in the cube not taken up by the sphere, we're going to subtract the volume of the sphere from the volume of the cube. So the volume of the cube will be, we have the length, a cube has an edge length of 68 inches, so we have the length side to be 68, so this will be 68 cube minus the volume of a sphere, so we have 4/3 pi. Our radius in this sphere, we have a solid sphere with a radius of 34 inches, we have it to be times 34 cube. Okay, so this is what we're going to have. Let's punch this in a calculator to get it. Let's punch everything. So this is going to give us, we have 68 cube, make use of this function to put cube. Okay, it come down, then we have minus. Now a fraction, go to this math. Okay, you go to number, screw up, this is a fraction I'm looking for, then we have 4/3. Alright, then we have pi. To bring up pi on this calculator, we press second and this button, alright, times 34 cube, press 3, come down. So this is only what we have here for the solution represented on the calculator. So let's press equal to now to see the output. Whatever we get will be the answer to this question. So let's press enter. So we have the output to be what? 149,795.7898. We are looking for what is the volume of the space in the cube not taken up by a sphere. So we have it to be this output. So we are asked to the nearest cubic inch. Okay, so to the nearest cubic inch, let's approximate. This 7 is up to 5, right? So approximate as 1, so it will now be 149,796, okay, cubic inch. So the right answer is option A. Okay, so that's basically I can do this kind of problem under measurement for your start mass. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Just like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what to learn from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions, I don't know what to talk about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also, ensure parts of the channel membership by clicking the join button and getting premium information how to solve that mass problems we generate. Okay, so having done this, click the next button and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.